at about 2 p.m. I fix myself up, use the bathroom, take a shower, and as I get out of the shower and I'm walk through the hallway with my towel on, Mom stops to talk to me real quick as she was heading out to run some errands or do something, and she's asking me about if I'm gonna get gifts, and there's like my anyway. She was talking to me for like 10 minutes, not 10 minutes, sorry, like a minute, and then she decides to finally let me in on, hey, by the way, there's a gentleman in the room next to you, working on a laundry machine. And she said that, I was like, understand, have a great day. Just walked in my room, shut that door, and why didn't she tell me that right off the bat? She let me sit there, half butt naked, dripping water on the ground, and there was a guy on the other side of the wall, someone I've never met before. And that's the scary thing. I mean, repairmen actually, they're not a big fear of mine, thankfully, but it can be many antisocials' big fear. There can be many paranoid people's big fears. You're just inviting someone with experience and skills, hopefully, into your house, and just like obviously they're not going to do it, but like if they really want to, I guess if you allow them, they're free to take stuff from your fridge or like use the bathroom if they have to. Well, okay, maybe I worded that badly, but my dad told me a story last night of the night before Christmas. Here we go. We are talking about Christmas. Hey, Merry Christmas. Uh, he had like ordered a giant swing set, a play set for our backyard that these several gentlemen were supposed to assemble, and it was Christmas Eve, so it was like they were on a time crunch. He had all the kids. I think this was before I was born. He had all three of them away at the grandparents' house or something, and they came over and they were about to start assembling it, and it started pouring rain, and they said, sorry sir, we're not allowed to do this with a power tool. All my dad has to offer them was, I got $40 in cash and a 12-pack of beer in the fridge, and they go, say less, we'll build it. This was like 2005 or 2000. This is hilarious.